Ninawaheshimu viongozi wetu wa makanisa wakiwemo wale wa SUPKEM, na nataka nikubaliane na wao sababu wamekuwa wakisema tujadiliane, na wale wanatupa mawe tujue venye tutagawa serikali, ati watu watulie, na tuliwaambia hiyo hatuwezi fanya. Lakini jana wamesema vizuri, walituuliza turudie yale maridhiano ya bipartisan talks, and I want to confirm to you, Your Excellency, that under your leadership, those of us in Kenya Kwanza, in line with the call by our religious leaders, ya kuwa turudi kwa bipartisan talks with a single agenda of the reconstitution of IEBC. That I want to agree with our religious leaders, that we are ready to resume the bipartisan talks with that singular agenda of reconstituting our IEBC commission, ili tuweze kuendelea hata na zile by-elections ambazo constituencies zingine na wards hawana wakilishi because of the paralysis at IEBC. And I agree with our religious leaders. The other important thing they said yesterday, Your Excellency, was a call to the end to violence. Now, walituambia that violence cannot be a solution to the financial crisis that this nation is facing or any of the problems that we face as a country. They further called on us as leaders, all of us, those in government and those even in the opposition, to follow the law. And even those who demonstrate, they must follow the law, they must abide by our constitution, and allow the rule of law to prevail. And there again, Your Excellency, I want to agree with our church leaders and even those from SUPKEM, that we all must be law-abiding citizens. And it does not matter what position you hold today, whether you are a president